make a potion. In the book of the potion is thy potion. You need red color and sand and red flower. Okay. I'm done getting all the sand and the flower and the red color. Wait, and I'll tatarin ko ito, guys. Kita yun. Yan. Flamingo. And iwi. Maiwi. Naputol. Tapos, sandali ayusin ko lang. Ayan guys, punta na natin. Ayan. Tapos itong flower. Ayan na. Diyan na, may tubig na. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. Sandali lang po guys. Malapit na matapos pero matagal pa to. Part 2.